In this video, I'm going to show you how to publish Reels on Facebook. Let's launch the app first. You want to go all the way to the top where is the plus sign next to the magnifying glass and the messenger icon. You click on the plus sign and then you select Reel. You click on Reels and now, for example, you want to create a particular picture with a sound with some editing for Reels. We choose this thumbnail from our previous video. Now, you can go about it in many different ways. You can definitely explore, first of all, the audio functionality, which means you can actually add a music or you can add a voiceover. If you add some of these functions on top of the regular music or sound or voiceover, you need to adjust the levels of each one. For example, if you have a music, you want to make sure that the music tone is much lower than the actual voiceover so people can actually hear your voiceover, and vice versa. If you don't have reasons for people to hear your voiceover more than the music, you want to simply make the tone higher than the actual voiceover. We're not going to add music in this case, but what we can actually do as well, we can add some text. You can add whatever you like, but the idea over here is that the full customization makes the post great. You can change the background of the covers, you can change the font, you can change where the font is actually located on the screen. The alignment of the font is very, very important. In our case, that will be enough. Now we can scroll down and we can actually add a particular effects on this, right? We can add plenty of different effects to be more vintage, to be more moved, to look like a poster, to look like more like a IG theme, right? If you have a voiceover, it will also be nice to include the captions, which is the button beneath the effects. You click on captions. We don't have any sound or any voice. This is why captions is not available for us. But we can use the other remaining features such as the stickers. For example, here you can actually include the time, you can include an avatar, you can include Friday as a celebration of Friday, for example. Then everything could be moved around. If you don't like something, all you gotta do is to put your finger on top of it, hold your finger, and then drag it all the way down to the garbage bin. Next, what you want to do when you finish editing, you gotta press next, and over here you have the function to actually choose who can see your reel. That's very, very important. You can select part of your friends to see the reel. You can actually tag the friends that you really want to see and you want to make sure that they can see the reel. You can add the location. Very important, you can automatically share the reel on Instagram. There is an option called share to Instagram. I don't have this automatically on, but you can set this as a default. So every time when you post a new reel, it will automatically go post it on Instagram as well. You can add different topics. For example, if your reel is related to TV shows, to sports, to pets, to your hobby, vacation, this will make it much easier for the algorithm of Facebook to deliver your video to the right audience. So you will essentially have more engagement. Otherwise, it will be hard for the Facebook algorithm to find audience or the right audience for your video. Next option, of course, you can invite someone else to collaborate with you on the particular content, or if it was someone that you record the video with, you can actually include this person over here, invite collaborator. You can also earn money if you're eligible and have a professional account. You can get rewarded if you actually turn on the stars. And essentially, guys, that's it. Include some caption, describe your video, and don't forget to change or at least filter the publicity of the reel. Do you want to see your reel being public and having people that you don't know commenting, liking, interacting with? Or you want to create a reel and just share it with your friends? Subscribe and come back for more.